Alright. It's windy as shit, so the sound's probably going to be bad, but I got a 2000 KLR650 that I've been slowly redoing to get roadworthy. So the other day before I went to ride, the choke cable came off the carburetor. It's hard to see right now, but I got one of the choke eliminators that I'm just going to have where you pull the choke out from under here instead of having it cabled up. Just seemed a little simpler. But right now we're taking the gas tank off and then we'll get at it. So we got the gas tank off. My hands smell like gasoline from taking the hose off. But so the other day when we started up to go ride with my friend, the choke cable busted out of the carburetor. So this was our trail hack, is to just duct tape or Gorilla tape the shit out of it to keep it inside the carb. But now I'm just gonna go with one of these guys. I just lost that plastic, so we're gonna install that. So here we got the choke cable, which I guess is a pretty known failure on these older KLRs, is the plastic thread on the, I don't even know what this thing's called, gets marred up and it just spits out of the carb. So right in there, we're gonna insert this guy. There we go. I kind of like the look of that brass color, the brass on here, and I kind of like the idea of something. Just pull out, hold it for a second, let her warm up, pop it back in, lose some weight on the handlebar. Not that it matters, but you know. Now I'll put her back together and see how she runs. But first, I need to clean up some bolts. This bolt right here, they put the wrong bolt in there and stripped her out. See how nice and marred up the threads are? And then there's two on the gas tank that need to be chased, that they had sheet metal screws in. So that's good. Here we go. All right, we got one cleaned up. This one is being more of a bugger, but we're getting it. And then we gotta go do the gas tank one. So then the gas tank, to hold the fairing to the tank, the guy was using these self-tapping sheet metal screws. So this is a Rito redneck moto that I'm trying to rehab, because these things are dinosaurs. They'll survive the nuclear apocalypse that's starting to happen between all the dick wagon nations. Got it. I stole it. I don't like how it sits right by those fuel holes. Back together, cleaned up these threads, cleaned up these. This is the one they had the sheet metal screws in, or the self-tapping.